Procedures. Procedures are the lifeblood of any organization. They provide a structured approach to various tasks, ensuring consistency, efficiency, and compliance with standards. Procedures are systematic sequences of actions or steps taken to achieve a specific outcome. They are essential in various fields and industries. For example, a company might have an emergency evacuation procedure. This procedure outlines the steps that employees should take in case of an emergency such as a fire or a natural disaster. It typically includes information on evacuation routes, assembly points, and roles and responsibility during this evacuation. Another example might be a data backup procedure. This procedure details how and when data should be backed up to prevent data loss. It might include steps for daily incremental backups, weekly full backups, and testing of backups to ensure data integrity. In this lesson, we're going to cover procedures that you should know about. These are change management procedures, onboarding and offboarding procedures, and playbooks. First, change management. Change management is a systematic approach to dealing with changes within an organization. This could be anything from implementing a new software system to restructuring the organization. The goal of change management is to ensure that changes are implemented smoothly and successfully, with minimal disruptions to operations. The change management procedure typically involves several stages. First, the need for change is identified and the potential impacts are assessed. Next, a plan is developed, detailing how the change will be implemented, who will be involved, and what resources will be required. Once the plan is in place, the change is implemented, often in stages to allow for any issues to be addressed promptly. Finally, once the change is complete, a review is conducted to assess the success of the change and identify any lessons learned. Changes in an organization need to be carefully planned, taking into account how they will impact related parts. For significant changes, it's a good idea to test them first. Every change should have a backup plan to roll back if it leads to negative or unexpected results. If changes might disrupt the system or workflow, they should be scheduled carefully, often during a designated maintenance window. After implementing the change, its effects should be evaluated and the entire process should be reviewed and recorded to learn lessons for future change projects. Next up, onboarding and offboarding procedures. Onboarding and offboarding are critical procedures for managing employees. Onboarding is the process of integrating new employees into the organization. Offboarding, on the other hand, is the process of managing the transition when an employee leaves. The onboarding procedure typically includes an orientation to introduce the new employee to the organization, training to equip them with the necessary skills, knowledge, and integration activities to help them become part of the team. The goal of onboarding is to ensure that new employees are productive and engaged as quickly as possible. Offboarding, on the other hand, involves tasks such as retrieving company property, disabling access to systems, and conducting exit interviews. The goal of offboarding is to ensure a smooth transition, both for the departing employee and the organization, and to gather feedback that can be used to improve the organization. Finally, playbooks. A playbook is a checklist of actions that you need to perform in order to detect and respond to a specific type of incident. Playbooks are detailed guides that outline how specific tasks or processes should be carried out. They provide a step-by-step guide, ensuring that tasks are performed consistently and efficiently, regardless of who is performing them. Playbooks can cover a wide range of tasks, from responding to a cybersecurity incident to handling a customer complaint. They typically include information on the resources required, the steps to be taken, and the expected outcomes. Playbooks are often used in situations where consistency and speed are critical, such as in IT operations or customer service. So remember, procedures play a crucial role in any organization. They provide a structured approach to various tasks, ensure consistency, efficiency, and compliance with standards. Change management is a systematic approach to dealing with changes within an organization, ensuring a smooth implementation with minimal disruption. Onboarding and offboarding procedures manages the transition of employees, and playbooks are detailed guides that outline how specific tasks or processes should be carried out, ensuring consistency and efficiency.